This segment sponsored by Law Offices of Randolph Rice.
All right, so I think that we can all agree that getting into an accident is not fun.
Oh, that's for sure. But if you need a lawyer, you want one that will fight for you, right? So here to tell us why is attorney Randolph Rice. Well, welcome.
Thanks, guys. How are y'all today?
Great. How are you?
Good. Thanks for letting me be here with y'all today.
Thank you for being here. All right, so tell everybody, do you need a lawyer after you get into a car accident?
Generally, yes. And the two answers or two reasons why you may need a lawyer is one, it's not your fault, if somebody else's fault was the accident, was the cause of the accident, and two, if you're hurt. Generally, if you answer those two questions yes, then you do need to hire a lawyer.
Okay.
So I know that some people are kind of deterred because they don't know what the cost of a personal injury lawyer would be.
Well, here's the great news about hiring a personal injury lawyer. You don't have to pay out of your pocket at the very beginning, which is great, right?
Yes.
Where in this world are you going to be able to get a lawyer for free at the very beginning? Personal injury lawyers, car accident lawyers work on what's called a contingency fee basis, meaning their fee is contingent on the outcome of your case, which you oftentimes you hear the saying, no fee unless we win, or you don't have to pay us unless you win. That's true. You will never have to pay that lawyer unless they actually win your case. So if the unfortunate happens, and let's say they lose your case, you'll never have to pay that lawyer.
Wow, okay, good deal, good deal. All right, so walk us through it. Get into an accident, what do we do right from the scene?
Sure, so at the scene, obviously stop. If you don't stop, you could actually be charged with a crime. So you want to stop at the scene, call the police. Most important thing, you want to document how this accident happened. A lot of times we see clients who get into an accident and they maybe get partial information from the other person, and then they come and see us and they say, well, I got a part of their name and a phone number. It's very difficult. The more information you get at the scene, the better your case will go down the road. And another thing you want to do is get pictures. Take a lot of pictures, right? Document it. Document what's going on, because that may change, or that may benefit you down the road as to the success of your case.
Absolutely. And so how long does a process like this take, from accident to finding out if you're going to get what you want?
Katie, it all depends on how injured you are, unfortunately. If you have minor injuries, it may be a little bit faster than if you have serious injuries like broken bones, or if you have to have a long stay in the hospital or therapy. So no two car accident cases are the same. It really is dictated by your extent of your injuries, but hiring a lawyer is going to make it go a lot faster than if you try to do it yourself, because the insurance company knows that they can just drag it on and drag it on and drag it on. Insurance companies do really good things. They do 3 Ds. They deny, they delay, and they defend. And so that they can delay your case, it's going to be better for the insurance company.
So that's what I was going to ask you. So you get into an accident, and then the other person's insurance company calls you.
Yeah.
Do you talk to them?
Well, yes and no. You want to talk to your lawyer first, because anything you say to the other insurance company is probably going to be recorded, and it could be used against you. For example, if they're going to call you up and say, hey, how do you feel today, the day after the accident? You say, oh, I'm feeling okay. And then a week later, your neck starts to bother you, your back starts to bother you. They're going to say, well, we have a recorded statement of you saying nothing's wrong.
Right.
So we're not going to cover these injuries.
So what do you recover? What do you get when you win one of these cases?
Sure. So typically what we're trying to do is, as a lawyer, is we're making sure that all of our clients' medical bills are reimbursed, that any lost wages are paid back, and then we want to make sure that they get paid for some people call it pain and suffering. I like to say it's time and hassle. The time of having to deal with all this, the time of sitting on the side of the road, going to the doctor's office, going to the hospital. This is all time that you didn't want to have to spend doing these things, which usually aren't fun, right? So you need to be compensated for that, and you need to be fairly compensated. So that's what we do.
All right, sounds great. So we know who to call. Where can our viewers find you?
You can find us on the internet. You can find us, obviously, you see us on TV all the time. You can visit our website at ricelawmd.com or call the office. As soon as you call, we'll set up an appointment, free consultation, or talk to you on the phone and get you started. We're here to help.
Awesome. Wonderful. Thank you so much for being with us and reaching out to our audience.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
Thank you.